Bonjour, hello. This video is to follow the est-ce questions or the closed questions. Please watch that video prior to watching this one. This video is going to talk about open questions. What are open questions? Open questions are questions you have to answer by giving an explanation. So you can't just say no or yes, you have to provide an explanation. To form open questions, you still have est-ce in the sentence. You still turn the phrase into a question by using est-ce, but you also put something else in front of est-ce. What are those something else's? Those are called question words. And I have a list here to go over with you, and I'll just explain what they are. So, qui means who. Qui est-ce qui parle? Who is talking? I'm talking, right? That's how you would answer it. Que, what? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? There's still an est-ce in there. What are you doing? Pourquoi? Pourquoi est-ce que tu fais ça? Why are you doing this? Pourquoi goes in front of est-ce. Quand? Quand? Quand est-ce que tu vas au parc? When are you going to the park? Right? Quand est-ce que tu vas au parc? Combien de and combien. Combien de means how many. Combien de pommes est-ce que tu as mangé? How many apples did you eat? Combien de frères as-tu? How many brothers do you have? What is the difference between combien de and combien? Combien without the de means how much. You would use combien without the de when you're referring to a weight or like a measurement. So how much do you weigh, or how much does it cost, something like that. For example, combien coûtent les pommes? How much do the apples cost, right? So you don't necessarily use est-ce with combien. Où means where. Où est-ce que tu vas? Where are you going? Note that the U has an accent, and without the accent there, it would mean or. So you really have to make sure that you put that there if you're asking a question. Comment means how. For example, comment ça va? How are you doing? But just be careful. How many, you can't say comment, combien. Okay, they're two different things. So how much or how many is combien de. How is comment. Now the last two are a little tricky. À qui and de qui. À qui est-ce que Madame pense? Of who or about who is Madame thinking of? Why is à qui here? Because the verb penser is always followed by à or de. Now, if the phrase is Madame pense à Justin Bieber, because the statement has pense à, then we have to put à qui, because she's thinking of Justin Bieber. It has an à. De qui est-ce que Madame parle? About who or about what is Madame speaking of? If the statement is Madame parle de Justin Bieber, then we know it has to start with de qui. Okay? De qui parle de. If you see de, it becomes de qui. If you see à, it becomes à qui. You have to memorize these verbs that are followed by à. And I know in the chapter we're working on, it's penser à, téléphoner à, and rêve de, which means dream of. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Review it as much as you want, take as many notes as you want, and we'll see you soon.